Check it out. It's Fountain of Truth. I got these for free from Influencer for testing purposes. And this is the Fresh Face Foaming Cleanser. So it comes in a little pump, and let me show you how the foam comes out. So just one pump, watch. Look at that. That's just one pump, and it's all you need. And that's gonna wash your face, and it feels really good, and it smells really nice and clean. Next we have the Magic Wand Sculpting Eye Emollient Eye Roller. So check this out. So it has these little metal roller balls on it at the end, and then so how you use it, you got to pump down like this, and then see how the product just came out right there. So then you would put that on your eye area, and it's a nice massaging feeling there, and it sinks right in and brightens up your eye area. So that's pretty easy to use. Next we have this little trio of serums. So we have the Skin Nutrition Be Hydrated, Be Calm, and Be Bright. So I love how these are travel sized, and there you can apply it with the little dropper like that, so that makes it easy to apply, and so that you don't like waste it, but super easy to use. And these are highly effective, but also cruelty free, toxin free, based on fermented plants in a fermentation process. So that's kind of interesting. You can read more about it in the description, and if you want to sign up to get free stuff from Influencer like I did, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching.